Hello guys, welcome back. Today's video is all about the episode where Rishi is going to find out a shocking truth about Janak and also the truth that's going to change his life and Aditi's life. So guys, stay tuned, watch to the end and please don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video as we go in.
Anirudh meets Rishi at the hospital and says he is happy that Rishi got a clean chit. Rishi thanks him for speaking to his senior officer. He says he got cleared because of Janak's statement. Dada Bhai and Putul get shocked hearing this. Anirudh asks about Janak's accident. Rishi says he was distracted for a moment and there was heavy traffic because of Ganesh Chaturthi. Anirudh asks if Janak's family knows. Rishi says he could not contact them, so he is planning to go to Simulboni. Anirudh asks if he will really go there again. Rishi says Janak is in critical condition and she should meet her mother. Anirudh says Aditi will not like it if he goes. Dada Bhai says Janak is on her deathbed and Rishi caused the accident, so he is just doing what he can for her. And Aditi's opinion does not matter right now. Anirudh tells Rishi to inform Janak's father too. Rishi says Parashar is not Janak's father. He reveals that Janak's real father left her mother. Anirudh refuses to believe it. Rishi says it is not right to judge Nutan. Anirudh says he knows the villagers very well and tells Rishi not to trust anyone blindly. He hopes Janak recovers soon and leaves. The next day, Rishi reaches Simulboni and finds out that Nutan is unwell. Parashar is not there. Sakhi asks why he came suddenly. Rishi says he needs to talk to Nutan and goes inside. Nutan asks why he came and if Janak is fine. Rishi tells her about the accident and says the surgery is done, so Janak will be okay. Nutan asks Rishi if he has accepted Janak as his wife. She says she knows he loves Aditi so much. She shares that the same thing happened in her life too and it feels like history is repeating itself. Rishi gets confused hearing her words. Nutan says she fought a lot to give Janak a place in society. She feels she may not wrong, so she wants to tell her life story to Rishi. She tells him never to ignore Janak, even if he cannot accept her. On the other side, Anirudh remembers Janak telling him that she is pregnant with his child. He murmurs that Janak should not have betrayed him for Parashar. Bablu and Anjana overhear him. Anjana says he was taking Janak's name. Bablu asks if he spoke to Janak recently. Anirudh thinks he should stop thinking about her. Aditi comes and informs him that Rishi has gone to Simulboni again. Arshi says she had already warned them not to trust Rishi. Nutan tells Rishi that Parashar loves Janak very much, but there is no relationship between them. Rishi asks her not to worry because he will take responsibility for Janak and her studies. He feels guilty and thinks he needs to make up for ruining her life. He then asks who Janak's real father is. Rishi tells her not to hesitate and to say everything clearly. Nutan says she feels like she does not have much time left, so she wants to reveal the truth. She finally tells him that Anirudh Bose is Janak's father. Rishi is completely shocked. He immediately asks her, "What about Aditi?" Nutan explains that Aditi is Anirudh and Arshi's daughter. She says Aditi stayed with her for a few years and she used to call her Moon. Rishi suddenly remembers how Bablu once called Aditi Moon too. Janak then gives a letter to Rishi and says it is for Anirudh. She tells him if he has any doubts, he can talk to Anjana and Bablu.
So guys, that is the end of the episode. So what did you think about this interesting episode? Did you think Rishi is going to reveal the truth or treat Janak the way he should be? Leave your comment below. Thank you for watching to the end and see you on my next video. Bye bye.